Greetings, Steve Scagesbrook. Monday, the 18th of May 2009, 1 o'clock exactly. Well, lots been going on over the last couple of days. I've been updating the site a little bit and putting those promised extras on. Now, the first thing I've done is to add a toolbar across the top. And you can see it just links onto the pages that I've got down there for me, the construction site, and what CPD is all about. But I've added a little one at the end called Dictionary. Now, over the years, I've been collecting names, items, descriptions of words that I've heard and didn't want to forget. And I've had them in paper format in various databases, and the last reincarnation was through a FileMaker 6 database, which I'm still using. Very good. But I haven't looked at it for a long time, and it was just the other day that I was thinking about it and I actually blogged it. So what I've done is I've gone into it and started to transfer them onto the blog site. But what I've done is also I've put a tag on for dictionary. So the tag at the top looks at all those tags and just brings up the dictionary items. Now, I've got about 550 items to look at and upload over the next month or so. So just keep on dropping in and see what's new there. If you've got something and you don't see it up there, you just send it to me with the text for it and in links, and I'll shove it up and give you credit for it. So that's a new thing that's going up now. It's a toolbar at the top of the blog page, and just use it as you want. What else have I done? Oh yes, Jonathan Pickup. Had a long conversation with John today on Skype, and it's quite interesting. The new teaching PDF, short sharp links, I think he calls it, is now out, and that's the May edition. You can get it from his site. Well worth. For me, because I mean, he charges me in Australian dollars, and I think it's about 8 or 9 quid a month he charges for being part of his system. And I must admit, it is very good because you get access to Jonathan, who's not only an architect, he's a good construction guy, but also he does all this Vectorworks training literature, and it's more in depth than you'll get from Nemechek's site. In fact, it's more in depth than anybody out there at the moment. I don't know anybody who's giving so much information out. So it's really good to go and receive his stuff. Now this one's all about detailing. In other words, taking your sections, adding detail in 2D to that. And the way he goes through it, it's the biggest one he's done yet at 41 pages. And there are loads of examples, both pictorial and embedded videos there. So it really is a well worth piece of subscription. The next one he's doing is all about libraries and keeping your libraries in the correct way. I'm really looking forward to that one, because I must admit the Vectorworks library system does confuse me a little. I keep a lot of my stuff on a Vectorworks file, and I sent it down to John and he was amazed. Quite a bit of stuff on there, but he was going on about how it could very easily be transferred onto your system, and you can just pick them up and then you can class them, you can put offset points for insertion, all sorts of little tricks he's got going for it. So I'm looking forward to the next one. It's well worth it if you can. I don't get anything for this. I'm just interested in the subject, keeping my Vectorworks speed up to date. So that's the last thing I think I can talk about today. As I say, go back onto the site and have a little look. Oh yes, many thanks to Corvette Teaser, who sent me a note saying about the links. Yes, I've done that now, and it'll be up on the last one I did. I've put the note up for the link onto the site, and I've also done it on for this one, I hope. So talk to you soon, and be good.